WISSENERGY is a team of researchers who are dedicated to the development of charging equipment for electric vehicles. Compatible with most electric vehicles that have a Type 2 socket, IEC 62196-2. We have created a charger that reduces waiting time for vehicle recharging and is easy to install. Thanks to the 11 kilowatt 3-phase socket, you can get a fast charge from 2 to 4 hours. The WB20 model is built with premium material that allows protection against any type of escape on energy or against electrical overload. Its 20 feet cable allows you to use it even in places that are not easily accessible for electricity. WISSENERGY also provides you with 1-year warranty on the power charging station. The IP66 certification ensures a high level of protection that allows the charger to be used even in adverse weather conditions, isolating it from rain and dust. The LCD touchscreen allows you to change the type of current, power, and capacity, and to choose the charging time. We are committed to changing the way we power our vehicles and offering customers the best electric vehicle charging experiences. WISSENERGY. We connect you with the future.